Just a second. Yes. So who was considered to be the sample production manager? Anjali, were you?
Yes, yes.
And you were for the marketing, Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And ma'am, you are the interviewer, right? Okay. So without wasting enough time of any time of yours, not enough time of yours, any time of yours, I would like you to start with the questioning round. But before questioning, I want the interviewer must ask at least 2 questions related to the personality of a child in order to judge the mindset regarding personality of a person. Like what kind of person he or she is. Is he arrogant? Is she arrogant? Is she adaptive to things? Put the person in a situation where you can find out whether the person will listen to you in your while working with you. When the person will work with you after selection, when the person will work in your company, will that person listen to you, or will that person be arrogant? In order to find the attitude, the personality of a person, you need to ask 2 questions from each of them.
I'm not sorry. I'm not getting. I need to ask personality about the.
Suppose if I say, Tushar, please say something about this interview. मैंने इससे कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया, इसको मैंने बोला कि बेटे आप इस इंटरव्यू के बारे में 2 शब्द या 2 लाइंस बोलो. अब उन लाइंस में क्या ये बोलता है, उससे इसकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में पता लगता है. मैं अंजलि को बोलती हूँ, अंजलि प्लीज राइट समथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड और ऑन द नोटबुक. अगर फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू हो रहा हो, एंड इफ आई से प्लीज राइट समथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड, ओके, एंड she comes and writes something, something, something. Maybe she comes and writes, that is an interview also, if people have seen that video.
I saw this video also.
Yes, this is just one trick. There are so many tricks to judge a person's personality. And trust me, the academic knowledge, the expertise knowledge is not much of importance if the actual personality or the attitude of a person is not right. Therefore, while interviewing, it is important to judge the actual personality of a person before. And see, we cannot judge the person immediately, but some tricks, some questions help us in finding out that skills about a person. Those skills about a person, okay, the personality traits. So ask any 2 questions from each one of them, which help you in finding out what kind of person they are, right? If you need time for this, I can give you, I don't mind giving you another 5 minutes for framing out. And even they can also frame out that what kind of questions can be asked, right? Even they can frame out what kind of questions can be asked from them. Anjali can also think about it. Tushar can also think about it. And even you can also think about it. Right? Do you need 5 minutes from me? Okay, but not more than 5 minutes. Anjali, you will also frame what kind of questions can be asked. Okay, go ahead. Yes, Anjali, she wants your introduction.
Yes. I'm Diana.
There's a
Sorry,
little
I'll start again.
there's a little network problem.
I'm audible to you now?
Yes, audible.
Is it good? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm Anshli Mehta. And I'm from a small town that's in Haryana, Fatehpur, and I'm pursuing my BCom from the Shahid Bhagat Singh, and I held my schooling from the DAV Centenary Public School that's in my hometown only, and that's all about me.
Okay. All right. So do you think, ma'am, this introduction is enough? I'm like, was it in the beautified way as we discussed earlier? There was an overusage of the word and. Okay. There should not be any overusage of words while you are virtually or professionally available for any sort of interview or for any sort of discussion in public. Your words should be non-repetited. Okay. Apart from that, never say that's all about me. Okay. There's a lot more about me, but then yeah, usko aap mat bhi bolo. That's it. Simply thank you. Okay. All right. And word की वजह से आपने कोई connector बीच में और नहीं use किया. Only and was repeatedly used. Make sure. Try to use connectors on regular basis. Yes, ma'am. Next question, please.
Ma'am, please can you share your past experience with me?
Ma'am, the past
I don't have
experience
any-
regarding work. Past
Regarding?
experiences can be any.
Regarding your job.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have it. I'm like a new to this.
Say I'm a fresher then. Ma'am, I have mentioned in my resume
I'm a
that I'm a fresher.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am.
I have mentioned in
Why do you think so you are the best fit for this job?
Yes. I wanted to.
like I have some personalities in me. Like I'm optimistic, and
Anjali, I have some personalities in me or I have some personality traits in me. Personalities means
personality
Amitabh
traits.
Bachchan is inside you, Ritika Narang is inside you, Monica ma'am is inside you.
Personality traits.
Personality traits, yes.
Sorry, ma'am, I have some
Personality traits, TRAITS.
Traits.
Yes.
I have some personality traits in me. Like I'm optimistic, and I don't give up easily to the new things, and I always ready to challenge new things. And I think it makes me different from others, and I'm fit for this job. And moreover, I have knowledge about this profile as well.
अंजलि इतना फास्ट बोलेंगे वहां पे? नहीं, फास्ट बहुत ज्यादा है और एंड अभी भी रिपीटेडली आ रहा है. ठीक है. ओके. And please check with your network today. It's a little slow. कोई ऐसी लोकेशन लो विंडो के आसपास हो जो. ठीक है. Right. Okay, Monica ma'am, the next question for her.
I want to ask that if you will found if your senior is doing any mistake, or again and again you are giving your suggestion to him, but he is not following you or he is not obey you, what will be your next step?
सबसे पहले तो मैम इस क्वेश्चन को जब हम अंजलि आई स्टॉप यू इन बिटवीन जस्ट ओके. जब भी हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम सिचुएशन दे रहे हैं राइट इसमें, तो सिचुएशन के टाइम पे हमने ये ध्यान रखना है कि पॉजेस में सिचुएशन ना आए. इमेजिन अ सिचुएशन वेयर you are suggesting your boss for doing something in a better way. But even after repeated reminders or suggestion, he does not obey you, or he does not prefer to follow your advice. What will you do in such a situation? Okay. Bring words like imagine, situation repeatedly, again and again ki bajaye repeated even after repeated reminders. Okay. Use the correct words. Yes, Anjali, now answer it.
Then I have to then I'll have to think about some action against him.
Yes.
And if my seniors is not like obeying not preferring to follow my instructions, then I'll go to my boss and will complain about him. That's the only option I think I would have.
Never ever do that in an interview. They'll find your complaint box. And in a school, in a organization, in a business, in a venture, any job, anywhere, we don't want complaint boxes. We want problem solvers. This shows that you are a personality trait. You are such a personality who believes in running away from the situations by complaining it to the senior ones rather than solving the problem at your end. You need to be problem solvers. They expect the more positive aspect of yours and not the negative ones. Even if you have to put up your problem, Tushar, I want you active in front of me. Even if you want to put up your problem to a senior boss, do not use the word complain. Just simply say, sir, I think I am undergoing a situation where it is becoming a little tough for me to decide what to do. Although I can try to do it on my end, but it would be better if I get your suggestion. Rather than saying the word complain, you have to be the more positive side of yours.
Really,
Yeah? What happened, Monica ma'am?
I didn't think so this type answer. Me too.
Okay, you did not think it this way. But it is very important, ma'am. Trust me, people want those people only who are problem solvers, not problem creators. If it is a complaint, it needs to be actioned in the same way. कंप्लेंट को कंप्लेंट की तरह ही हैंडल किया जाएगा फिर. लेकिन अगर एक डिस्कशन की तरह वो चीज जाएगी तो डिस्कशन की तरह हैंडल होगी, उसमें इमेज भी पॉजिटिव होगी और काम भी आउटपुट भी अच्छा आएगा. दिस इज हाउ दे रिक्वायर. I had
we will go. Yes, please, ma'am.
Yes, I had somebody in my knowns who used to work somewhere, and I got a feedback about that person. There were a few people. Out of them, one was always ready. Yes, ma'am. Okay. No matter, inside she used to feel, oh my God, I am the only one stuck always. I am the only one who is pulled into work always. But on her forefront, she used to always have, yes, ma'am, I'll learn it. It's okay. Ma'am, will you help me? Will you guide me a little bit, or I'll take somebody's help? That person was always admired by the team. Whereas the person who used to straight away say, no, ma'am, this is not my work, was never admired, no matter how good his or her work was never admired. That person was called to be an attitude, the person with the wrong attitude. Right? Therefore, no matter how tough the situation is, everything has to be in the form of positive. Right? Getting Tushar? See, beta,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
getting to learn these things at a very tender age. But these are very important in upcoming future. It will help you groom that I am learning these things at a very, कभी हम सोचते भी नहीं क्या बोलना है, किसी को एकदम जवाब दे दिया. But no, you have to start thinking from now on that whatever I respond has to be very positive. All right?
Okay.
Okay, moving ahead. Ma'am, any more questions for Anjali, or can we take it for Tushar in between first?
My last question, ma'am.
Okay. Please go ahead.
Anjali ma'am, as we are talking here near about half an hour, I want to know about myself. What you observed in me?
What have you observed? अब कुछ थोड़े
Have
टाइम में
you?
आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है? Have you observed? What have you observed? अंजलि सोच समझ के आंसर देना. Take a minute's time, but think and say properly. और भाग के नहीं, बिल्कुल भी स्पीड नहीं, रश नहीं करना. With a normal pace.
म्यूट है मैम.
कोई बात नहीं, let her think. From tomorrow, I will make spoken English compulsory for you people. Even if you have to say a small thing, जैसे mute है, even that has to be in English. Okay?
You're confident
Mm-hmm.
and you are well experienced in your profile.
Mm-hmm.
You seem to be hardworking.
Mm-hmm.
That
Okay. There was something missing. One, an expression. Either you can say, I got very little time to observe you during this interview because I was more involved in my own questions or my own answers that I needed to give you. Or you can say, out of so many things that you asked me, out of so many things that I observed about you, I would like to quote a few. Starting expressions need to be given. Clear? सीधा हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि you are this, you are this, you are this. No. I always tell you, कल जो हमारा कल का session था, I think it was all about expressions. You missed it, Anjali, but there was back-to-back question round in which if I used to ask Tushar something, he used to say, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. Yes, I did, no, I did not. There was no expressive lines. Like, Tushar, did you eat breakfast today? He used to say, yes, I did. But he never used to say, I did take breakfast today, or I took breakfast today. Breakfast is an expressive form, means an elaborative form of what you have to say. Similarly, give a certain expression in between. Apart from that, you could use salutation in between. Ma'am, as far as I can notice, I find you, ma'am, as far as I can notice, I find you quite hardworking. Because since half an hour we are sitting here, but then while I was waiting in the waiting area, I realized that there were so many candidates whom you have interviewed, but I don't see you falling down in your energy. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि आपकी एनर्जी कहीं पे भी कम हुई है. Right? There should be a ma'am or a sir, a salutation should be there. अगर हम सीधा you करके बोल रहे हैं, I think you are hardworking, you are this, you are this, you are this. You are this मतलब तुम ये हो, तुम ये हो, तुम ये हो, या आप ये हो, आप ये हो, आप ये हो, सीधा. आप आ गया तो रिस्पेक्ट हो गया, तुम हो गया तो इंग्लिश में तो ना तुम है ना आप है, ओनली यू है सीधा. इंग्लिश में salutation plays a big role, sir or ma'am. ठीक है? If you put a sir or a ma'am, that will add a lot of value. Ma'am, as far as I think, I find you quite a hardworking person because there's a long list of waiting people. There was a long list of people who were waiting outside, and I came after them. And till then, I haven't seen your energy low. Since half an hour, I'm sitting in the room, and I have observed that you still seem to be fresh and energetic. Right? The expressiveness. Okay, and salutation plays a big role, and that will describe your personality. अगर आप सीधा सीधा बोलोगे आप arrogant लगोगे. जैसे कल मैं तुषार को बोल रही थी, आप सीधा सीधा बोल रहे थे, ऐसे लग रहा है शर्मा रहा है, ज़्यादा बोल ही नहीं पा रहा. Right? These are the ways to judge the personality of a person. Therefore, it is very important. Please take note. Use expressiveness and salutation while such questions come across you. Okay. Clear? Okay. Monica ma'am, let's start it with Tushar now.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes.
Tushar,
Yes.
please tell me something about yourself.
Uh, Good morning, ma'am. My name is Tushar, and I am from the small town of Haryana named Fatehbad. And I completed my studies in the DAV public school, and my qualification is MA Hindi and BCom.
Okay. Why isn't your video on? Are you watching something and then reading it out? Is it? Hmm? Are you? No, no. Or were you? I think yes. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, don't read it out. It should be natural bete. It should be natural. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Ask him another question. If you find any doubt in his, if you find any further cross questioning means जो उसने answer किया उसमें से ही आपको और question पूछना है. Or if you feel that somewhere his answer is inappropriate, you can quote his mistakes also. Learn to do that now. Learn to do that. All of you. एक दूसरे की mistakes निकालना सीखो. When we start teaching, अक्सर ऐसा होता है. हम किसी को, आप छोटे बच्चे को कोई चीज सिखाना, अलजेब्रा सिखाना, वो बच्चा जब आप उसको सिखा रहे होगे आप कभी नहीं भूलोगे. और वही जब हम छोटे थे हम सीखते थे तो हम उसको 10 बार पढ़ना पड़ता था. Okay. So when you learn to find out the mistakes in each other's spoken English or any answer, learn to cross question them, find out their mistakes. It will improve you, in fact. Okay, next question for Tushar is?
I heard first time as you are talking about Fatehabad in Haryana. I want to know something about Fatehabad. I don't know which type of city the Fatehabad is. Can you tell me?
Repeat करना ma'am.
I heard that word Fatehabad. I don't know where it is or which type of city it is or town. I don't know. What is Fatehabad? I want to know about Fatehabad. Where it is in Haryana and what is special in Fatehabad. I want to know about Fatehabad.
Before Tushar speaks it, I want to tell you, ma'am, this question could have been asked in another way also. आप I don't know को बाद में बोलते हो और पहले आप बोलते हो, मतलब I don't know. You could have said, as you talked about a place or a place called Fatehbad in your introduction, and since I am unaware about this word or place, could you please tell me more about Fatehbad? Since I am unaware, क्योंकि मैं इस place के बारे में नहीं जानती.
Fine.
Therefore, I would like you, or could you please, request करते हुए, could you please tell me more about Fatehabad? Okay, unaware को मैंने I don't know की जगह कर दिया.
Sure.
Okay. Yes. Now Tushar, go ahead. You have to say something about Fatehabad. That is your hometown. थोड़ा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन ही करना, उसके बाद डरने वाला तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. इतना सोच रहा है मन में, क्या बोलूं क्या बोलूं क्या बोलूं. कोई स्माइल कर रहा है, मैम सोच रहा हूँ क्या बोलूं, सोच रहा हूँ क्या बोलूं. डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. सिटी है फतेहाबाद, इसके बारे में बताना है, इसको क्या बोला जाता है, इसमें पॉपुलेशन कितनी है, छोटा शहर है, बड़ा शहर है, यहाँ के लोग किस तरीके के हैं, ओपन माइंडेड है, नैरो माइंडेड है, कंजर्वेटिव है, या लग्जरी लिविंग है, कुछ भी है, या मिक्सचर है यहाँ पे लोगों का कि हर तरह के लोग हैं, फ्रॉम नॉर्मल लिविंग टू अ हाई लिविंग.
It is a small town in the Haryana named Fatehbad, and it is also known as the Pink City. And there is a less population in that city, and
by the end of my classes with you people, I want each and every one to have a professional body language and face-to-face interaction with me by the end of these classes. The last 3-4 days जो होंगे ना क्लास के, तब तक मुझे ऐसा होना चाहिए, the body language should be in the form of table. What if I sit like this? Huh? And what if I start doing like this? Or if I start being shy, I don't look at you people. Would you like such expressions from my side? No, na. What if I lie down on the chair aram se and I talk to you people? Would you like it? No, na. Right? Therefore, a right body language is very important. चाहे आप कहीं पे भी हो. आप एक डॉक्टर के पास गए हो, तो आपका सेलफोन स्विच ऑफ या साइलेंट होना जरूरी है. आप एक एजुकेशन प्रोफेशन में हो, यू नीड टू लर्न द बेसिक एटिकेट्स एवरीवेयर. हम ये सोचते क्या है फतेहबादी तो है, सब जानते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या कर लेगा, इट्स ओके. नो, योर पर्सनालिटी इज यू. तुषार, मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ डॉक्टर के पास गया हूँ, मैं अपना सेलफोन साइलेंट कर रहा हूँ. आई एम साइलेंट, आई एम डूइंग माय फोन ऑन साइलेंट मोड एंड माय फ्रेंड्स आर गिगलिंग एट मी, दे आर लाफिंग. पागल है ये, तो डर रहा है, क्या कर, डॉक्टर इसको डांटेगा क्या, ये फोन साइलेंट कर रहा है. Don't worry, let your friends say that. Let your friends speak whatever they want. As a person, it is your duty to improve your personality. And let me tell you, a sophisticated personality will always be respected. Will always be respected in a society. We run with the society. We go hand in hand with the society. Okay. In the process of personality development, since I'm taking the classes of interview, personality development plays a very big role. Therefore, let me tell you, no matter what city you belong to, no matter what place you belong to, no matter whatever the situation is, मेरी सिटी में सलवार सूट में ही जा सकते हैं, लड़कियां बाहर निकल ही नहीं सकती. ऐसे सब लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे नहीं तो. लेकिन मेरी जॉब डिमांड करती है कि मुझे तो पैंट शर्ट में ही जाना पड़ेगा, फॉर्मल्स, तो मैं जाऊंगी. Because that is what my work demands from me. I have to be professional no matter what. Similarly, मैं स्टूडेंट हूं. Even then, I need to learn what are the public society rules regarding your personality, because whatever rules you will not follow will destroy your persona in front of the others. Clear? Therefore, a right body language first. Second thing, it is very, very important that you people learn how to have facial interaction. Eye to eye contact is very important. ये स्पेशली मैं तुषार के लिए बोल रही हूँ. तुषार बहुत ज्यादा शर्माता है, नीचे आंखें करके बात करता है, कई बारी ऊपर देख के आंसर करता है. फेस एक्सप्रेशन ज्यादा ही आपको लगता है मैम स्क्रीन पास है, सिट बिहाइंड, सिट विद दिस पोस्चर एंड टॉक. यस, सी अ ग्रेट चेंज. थोड़ा सा दूर होके बैठ जाओ, आई कंटैक्ट होगा, कंफर्टेबल होगा, राइट? एंड now for Anjali, a small tip. I hope you people won't mind it, but it's important for me to tell. कई बार हम कुछ सोचते सोचते हमारा ना चेहरा ऐसे हो जाता है, expressionless हो जाता है. But have you noticed many of the times that I always try to keep a smile on my face? You see most of my videos and you will find most of the time I keep a smile on my face. Yes. There is a video disturbance, audio disturbance. That's Tushar from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute it and then do it with it. Okay. So Now I will ask ma'am to repeat the questions. I know we went off track. We might have forgotten what the question was and what we need to answer. But wherever I'm going to find mistakes, I'm going to improve you. So that when you
Very
walk in the society, when somebody asks you, where did you take such kind of guidance from? I should feel proud. You should feel proud that whatever ma'am taught us has helped us. Again, I'm telling you, your right body language, right posture, right facial expressions are very important. Even if there is a
Really.
network failure, no stress on mind. Just simply give a smile and talk. Ma'am, it's difficult to keep a fake smile on face every time. But then, trust me, it's way better rather than having a silent face with no expressions. Okay, clear? Ma'am, could you please repeat your question for Tushar? I'm sorry for that.
That repeat that question or ask the next question. Need
Okay,
to
you
ask
can
that.
ask another question. As he answered it, that was okay, but his eyes expressions were not clear. Okay. Yes.
Tushar, if in